friends, it's Sheena. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me here today. So in today's video, I do want to do a little bit of a home refresh and also a little bit of decorating for Valentine's Day. I love the month of February. So many things are happening in this month, including Black History Month, of course. But in today's video, I do want to focus on Valentine's Day because I do get to bring out my pastel pink home decorations, which I just love so much. Now this look is quite versatile. You can do it for spring, for Mother's Day, for Easter. It's quite versatile, so that's why I love it so much. So enough chatting, let's get started. So this is just a quick overview of what the room is looking like now. I must say I absolutely love those pastel greens on the pillow covers. I love them so much. So everything is going to get changed over to pink, a very pale, beautiful pink pillow covers, which I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, this is what the room is looking like now. So let's get started. So these are the pillow covers that I'll be using. And oh my gosh, when I tell you, they are just so soft and so cozy. I went ahead and I picked them up in the white also because I just love them so much. So now I have them in the pink, I have them in the white, and of course the sage green color that's currently on display right now. But my goodness, I just love them so much. So anyways, let's get started with changing the covers over to this gorgeous pink. I must say I'm gonna miss this green color, but I'm definitely gonna bring it back for Easter and spring. I just love this shade of green so much. But now we're switching over to pink, which is another favorite color of mine, along with white, if you can't tell. As for the picture frames, I do have a few pink prints that I do want to change out. Just the middle ones, I'm going to change those out, and also a few more around the house. So let's continue with that. So these are the different shades of pink that I'll be distributing throughout my home. I just went ahead and switched over the prints in the picture frames. And oh my goodness, I love this one with the heart. They're so pretty. Everything is in my favorite color. Those are all changeover. I really like them. I love the pink. It's slowly coming together, which I love. Okay, so as for the coffee table, I'm not going to be doing too much. I'm just going to add a few of my pink books to the table. So I have this beautiful rose book here. Oh, the other one is a flower too. So dahlias. So I'm going to just try to switch these around real quick. But first, I just need to clean everything. So as for this area over here, I'm gonna switch this vase out and I'm gonna put this cute little plant. My goodness, somebody needs to stop me from purchasing plants. I have so much plants already, but what I usually do and how I got so many plants is that I'll purchase one plant and then I'll separate them. For example, this came from a hanging basket, and from that one hanging basket, I got 4 of these little plants right here. So that's just my little tip if you're trying to get more plants without spending too much coins. So I'm just gonna do the same thing over here. Add this little plant. So I did the same thing with my monstera plant over there. I bought it at Lowe's, and I remember I came home and split it in half, and now I have 2 plants. So that's a little tip that I'm sharing with you guys. As for this area, I've kept it quite simple. Honestly, all I did was change out the candles to these pretty pink ones, which I just love. Okay, so I went and grabbed her from outside. She was on the patio, freshly separated. So I'm gonna pop her in this little corner. I do have this little watering tray thingy that I'm gonna put here just to collect any water when I do water it. But I usually take them outside when I'm doing the watering. Okay, so I pop that right in there. I was gonna put a 3rd plant there, so I have kind of like 3 in this little area, but I felt like it looked a little bit crowded, and I love it the way it is. So that's how I'm gonna keep it for now. And honestly, when it comes to me and plants, if there's a little space in my home, I'm gonna fill it with plants. But I think I have enough plants. I think I have enough plants for now, so I'm gonna hold off on buying plants. But I just love having them in my home. So this is what the coffee table is looking like. I love it. It is quite simple. I just have, again, that Yankee candle in the pink sand.